Mastering acrylics. Have you ever gazed upon a breathtaking landscape and yearned to capture its essence on canvas? Well, acrylic painting offers a fantastic way to translate these scenes onto canvas with vibrant colors and expressive brushstrokes. Hello there, my name is Sarah, and welcome to this video from Sarah's Art Gallery. Are you ready to discover the beauty and wonders that the art world has to offer? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Now, in this episode, we will discuss the aspiring artist and bring artistic visions to life through acrylic art. Acrylics dry quickly, allowing for easy layering and blending, making them ideal for both beginners and experienced artists. The vibrant pigments of acrylic paints offer a wide spectrum of colors to mimic the nuances of the natural world. From lush forests to serene coastlines, the possibilities for acrylic landscapes are as boundless as your imagination. This journey of artistic exploration goes beyond simply replicating a scene. It's about capturing the emotions and atmosphere that make each landscape unique. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and techniques to confidently approach acrylic landscape painting. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and embark on a fulfilling journey of capturing the beauty of the world around you with the magic of acrylics. Acrylic paints are renowned for their user-friendly nature, making them an excellent choice for artists of all skill levels, especially beginners. Their water-based formula makes them easy to work with and clean up, eliminating the need for harsh solvents. Simply use water to thin the paints, adjust their consistency, or clean your brushes. One of the most appealing aspects of acrylics is their quick drying time, allowing you to layer colors quickly without worrying about muddying your hues. If you make a mistake, simply wait for the paint to dry and paint over it. Acrylics offer excellent coverage. Acrylic paints are incredibly versatile, adhering to a wide range of surfaces, including canvas, paper, wood, and even fabric. This versatility opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to explore different textures and experiment with mixed media techniques. The vibrant pigments of acrylic paints offer a wide range of colors to satisfy your artistic vision. Whether you prefer the velvety finish of matte acrylics or the reflective quality of gloss paints, there's an acrylic paint out there to suit your style and preferences. With their user-friendly nature, versatility, and vibrant colors, acrylic paints provide a welcoming gateway to the world of landscape painting. Before embarking on your acrylic landscape painting journey, it's essential to gather the necessary tools and materials. Here's a list of essential materials to get you started. Acrylic paints. A basic set of acrylic paints in primary colors, red, yellow, blue, white, black, and a few earth tones will suffice for beginners. Brushes. Invest in a variety of brushes in different shapes and sizes to achieve different effects. Round brushes are versatile for general painting, flat brushes are ideal for covering large areas and creating sharp edges, and filbert brushes offer a blend of round and flat shapes for blending and softening edges. Palette. A palette is essential for mixing and blending your acrylic paints. Palette knife. A palette knife is a handy tool for mixing paints, applying thick layers of paint, impasto, and creating textured effects. Canvas or painting surface. Choose a canvas or painting surface that suits your preferences and the size of your artwork. Water container. You'll need 2 containers of water, one for rinsing your brushes and another for thinning your paints. Paper towels or rags. Keep paper towels or rags handy for wiping excess paint from your brushes, cleaning up spills and blending edges. Easel, optional. An easel can make your painting experience more comfortable by providing a stable and adjustable surface for your canvas. Varnish, optional. Once your painting is dry, you can apply a varnish to protect it from dust, UV rays, and fading. One of the most captivating aspects of landscape painting is the ability to recreate the vast and nuanced colors found in nature. While acrylic paints come in a wide array of pre-mixed colors, understanding how to mix your own hues opens up a world of possibilities. The key to successful color mixing lies in understanding the color wheel and the relationships between different hues. By understanding the principles of color mixing, You can create any color imaginable by combining different hues in varying proportions. To create a realistic landscape, it's essential to observe the subtle variations in color within a scene. Mixing your own colors allows you to capture these subtle nuances and create a more lifelike representation of your subject. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers when it comes to color mixing. The most important thing is to trust your eye and create colors that resonate with you. The canvas you choose for your acrylic landscape painting serves as the foundation for your artwork, influencing the overall look and feel of your piece. Consider the following factors when making your decision. Canvas material. Traditional stretched canvas is made from linen or cotton stretched over a wooden frame. Linen is known for its durability and fine texture, while cotton offers a more affordable option with a slightly rougher surface. Canvas boards provide a rigid and lightweight alternative, consisting of canvas glued to a cardboard backing. Canvas texture. Fine-grain canvas has a smooth surface, ideal for detailed work, while medium-grain canvas offers a more pronounced texture that can add depth to your paintings. Canvas size. The size of your canvas will depend on the scale of your intended artwork and your personal preferences. Canvas priming. Most canvases come pre-primed with gesso, a white acrylic primer that seals the canvas and provides a suitable surface for acrylic paints. Experiment with different canvas materials, textures, and sizes to find what works best for you. Brushstrokes are the building blocks of any painting, and mastering different brushstroke techniques is crucial for creating realistic textures and details in your acrylic landscapes. Flat wash. Load your brush with a generous amount of thinned paint and apply it to the canvas in smooth, even strokes. Dry brushing. Dip your brush lightly into the paint, removing any excess. Drag the brush lightly over the surface of the canvas, creating a broken textured effect. Stippling. Use the tip of your brush to apply small dots of paint to the canvas. Glazing. Apply thin, translucent layers of paint over dried layers to create depth and luminosity. Scumbling. Use a dry brush to apply a thin layer of opaque paint over a dried layer, allowing the underlying color to show through. Impasto. Apply thick layers of paint to the canvas, creating a textured surface. Experiment with different brush sizes, shapes, and pressures to see the variety of marks you can create. Don't be afraid to combine different brush strokes within a single painting to achieve different effects and textures. Remember, the key to mastering brush strokes is practice. One of the most appealing aspects of acrylic painting is the ability to build depth and dimension through layering. Layering involves applying multiple layers of paint, allowing each layer to dry before applying the next. This technique allows you to create subtle color variations, enhance textures, and achieve a sense of realism in your landscapes. When layering acrylics, it's essential to start with thin layers and gradually build up to thicker layers. Each layer you apply should modify or enhance the previous layer, creating a sense of depth and complexity. Experiment with different layering techniques, such as wet-on-wet blending, dry brushing, and glazing, to discover the range of effects you can achieve. Remember, patience is key when layering acrylics. Capturing light, the art of highlights and shadows. Light plays a crucial role in how we perceive depth, form, and texture in a landscape. By effectively capturing the interplay of light and shadow in your acrylic paintings, you can create a sense of realism and bring your landscapes to life. Highlights are the brightest areas of a subject, where light is reflected most intensely. Shadows are the darkest areas where light is blocked. To create highlights in your acrylic paintings, use lighter values of the local color or add a touch of white or yellow to the paint. For shadows, use darker values of the local color or mix in a complementary color to create a richer, more nuanced shadow. The key to capturing light and shadow effectively is to observe carefully and experiment with different values and colors. Adding life with details. Trees, water, and skies. Trees, water, and skies are integral elements of many landscapes, each requiring a unique approach to rendering their distinct characteristics. Trees are often the focal point of a landscape, adding height, texture, and a sense of life to the scene. When painting trees, start by establishing the basic shape and structure of the trunk and branches. Use a variety of brush strokes to create the texture of the bark, from rough and gnarled to smooth and delicate. For the foliage, use a combination of stippling, dry brushing, and glazing to create a sense of depth and volume. Water can be both tranquil and dynamic, reflecting the surrounding environment and creating captivating patterns of light and shadow. When painting water, start by establishing the horizon line and the general shape of the water's surface. Use horizontal brushstrokes to create a sense of movement and flow. Skies can dramatically impact the mood and atmosphere of a landscape painting. From clear blue skies to dramatic storm clouds, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different techniques and approaches to discover what works best for you and your artistic style. Finding your style. Embracing artistic freedom. As you gain confidence in your acrylic landscape painting skills, you'll naturally begin to develop your own unique style. Your artistic style is a reflection of your personality, preferences, and the way you perceive and interpret the world around you. Embracing your artistic style is a journey of self-discovery. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques, color palettes, and compositions. The most important thing is to paint in a way that feels authentic and fulfilling to you. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of discovering your own unique artistic language. The joy of practice. Your journey to mastery. Mastering any skill takes time, dedication, and consistent practice. Acrylic landscape painting is no exception. The more you paint, the more comfortable you'll become with the medium, your tools, and your own artistic abilities. Make time for regular painting sessions, even if it's just for a short period each day. View each painting as a learning experience, an opportunity to experiment, make mistakes, and refine your skills. Embrace the joy of practice, and the rewards will be immeasurable. Inspiration from nature, my acrylic landscape journey. My own journey with acrylic landscape painting began with a deep-seated love for nature and a desire to capture its beauty on canvas. Growing up, surrounded by rolling hills, lush forests, and the ever-changing hues of the sky, I was captivated by the interplay of light, color, and texture in the natural world. Acrylics, with their vibrant pigments, quick drying time, and versatility, quickly became my medium of choice for translating these observations into art. From the subtle gradations of a sunset sky to the intricate details of a forest floor, each painting became a journey of discovery. Over time, my style evolved, influenced by both my observations of nature and my exploration of different artistic movements. My acrylic landscape paintings are a testament to my love for the natural world and my desire to share its beauty with others. Conclusion: unleash your inner landscape artist. As we conclude this journey through the world of acrylic landscape painting, remember that the most important tool you possess is your own creativity. The techniques and tips shared in this essay are merely starting points, guiding lights to ignite your artistic spark. The true magic happens when you embrace your unique perspective, experiment without fear, and allow your passion for art to guide your brush. Don't be afraid to break the rules, to blend styles, and to infuse your personality into every stroke. Let nature be your muse, your teacher, your endless source of inspiration. The world is your canvas, and the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. If you are new here, you liked the video, and I've given you some value, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for my newest videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Sarah from Sarah's Art Gallery saying, to create your masterpiece, you must start with one stroke at a time.